But this is another late birthday build, despite the fact that the first build I did, and I did it recorded live. But that's when I discovered this snap together kit, the fuselage parts. You have 3 levels, and they didn't all go together completely. And also I discovered the wing tips wouldn't go together completely either, and I decided I'd have to glue it together. And I had to take it apart. Then when I tried to glue it together, I realized, if you remember, the old trumpeter kits did not respond well to the old school tube gel glue. And you would have to sand the parts, mating parts. And then you would also have to use a special glue for multiple plastics, which is when I started using this. And that's what I did on this. Had to sand the mating parts and then use the styrene ABS glue. And let's see, what else? So I had to do that, and then what else? You see, if you build one of these, it's going to be a tail sitter. So you'll have to add weight to the nose, or it perpetually in takeoff mode. What else? Has a open bomb bay from India. And then these decals are not, the unit marking decals are not from the kit. The one, if you look at, I don't know if you can see that. This is all nicely detailed, but the actual kit decal is not detailed at all. But I also was building this for a person who is Gemini. And that's their tropical. And the sidereal for Gemini is Taurus. But there's no Taurus because the actual real life B-24 unit based in Italia during the war, end of the war, the B-24 that was going to be painted with Taurus got shot down. And they decided, because most of those pilots are actually superstitious. And so they were, okay, that's it. We're not going to paint any bomber with Taurus. So there's no Taurus to use for the sidereal. So it's just the Gemini. The star and bars are from the kit decals. They are the kit decals. What else? What else? Anything else special? Oh yeah, the mounting pegs. You have pegs that go into holes in the next fuselage part underneath. I had to enlarge all the holes. That also helped it go together better. Other than that, yes, I have to show you my favorite spray can flat paint. So this is my choice for flat clear, because not only does it have a uniform finish that is not, it's not heavy or thick looking, it makes the decals, if you have decals that don't want to settle down, or they got little wrinkles in them, or it will make those decals settle down and flatten out. So yeah, I love that flat clear paint. And then I made a discovery. See, this box is pretty, the box it comes in is pretty sturdy. It's a sturdy box. It's not a flimsy end opening box. It's actually pretty sturdy. And I discovered the completed aircraft fits into the box. So I can put it in there and ship it to the recipient. Of course, I'll put padding in there and wrap it in birthday paper and put it in a shipping box and send it off to them. So once this video is posted, that will be the sign that they've received their gift. Yet another late B-24 birthday bomber.